the first of 5 videos on solving quadratics. First of all, we need to know how to factorise. So I'm going to just do that one in this one, factorise and solving. So I've got a quadratic like this and I want to solve it, but it specifically says solve it by factorising. So first of all, I'm going to factorise. Now I'm looking for two numbers that times together to give 6. Those two numbers, and add together to give 5. Those two numbers are 3 and 2. So I make up my bracket, and I'm showing this because it wants us to show that it's factorised. We haven't done any other method. So x plus 3 and x plus 2 equal to 0. Now this first bracket times the second bracket equals 0. So I need to think, what could this first bracket be? When I multiply it by the second bracket, it gets 0. Well, this first bracket could be 0, because 0 times anything will give me 0. So I do that, and x here will be negative 3. And I'm going to do the same for the second bracket, so I've actually got two answers for this. And I make the second bracket equal to 0. And so my two answers are x equals negative 2 and negative 3. Now lots of students will look at that and think, I just need to reverse this and this to get the answers. It's not quite that simple. Let's do another one. This one I'm going to make x minus 3 and minus 28. So when I factorise this, I think I'm going to get minus 7 and plus 4. And that equals 0. So I want that bracket to equal 0. So that's going to give me a positive 7, and I want the second bracket to equal 0. So it's going to give me x equals minus 4. And this is the first bit, which is solving quadratics by using factorising, the first video. If you come back later, we'll try the second one.